Hey, I just want to let everybody know that I sent out an email, actually two emails today. Some of those emails were getting bounced back for some reason, but I resent it and I think everybody got it. However, very important tonight, we get the API oil inventories, and I want to see what's going on. I'm telling you, I want to see what's going on because we need some clarity about the situation after these hurricanes, and actually the hurricane that we just had, Hurricane Irma. We're really not going to see the impact on the data there probably at least until next week. Maybe we'll get a little bit of an inkling in tomorrow's EIA Weekly Petroleum Status Report. But the APIs, I want to see what is going on with gasoline demand, where we saw in the last EIA report last Thursday. Man, was that a crazy report. I mean, it was very hard to take any kind of information out of that because everything was whacked. I mean, whacked. You had major demand destruction in crude. You had major demand destruction in gasoline. You had imports down like so much. You had exports, like everything was affected. So you really want to see if there has been any bounce back, in particular, like are the refineries back up and running again? I mean, I don't know. I don't know. And unless you are working at one of those refineries or in the industry and somehow attached or getting information from those refineries, for those of us here trading and speculating, my guess is, most of us don't know, but we will get indications from at least some sort of indications from the API inventory report tonight. That's number one. Number two, this massive amount of demand destruction with respect to gasoline, and I gotta hand it to Goldman on this one because I'm always very critical of Goldman Sachs. They're a joke, but they called it. They did say there was going to be a lot of demand destruction from the hurricanes, and we actually saw that in the data. The question is, has that bounced back? All right. So my guess, and this is just my guess right now, is I think we're going to see more inventory build in crude oil. I don't think, we're going to see the big drawdowns that would come as a result of the refineries starting back up again. Gasoline demand before the hurricane, that is prior to Hurricane Harvey, was recovering. We actually saw gasoline demand go positive year over year for the first time in quite some time. And so that was a positive, but we have to see how that has been impacted as well. So these are going to be very important reports. If you want them, if you want my email on these reports, please go to my website, pitbulleconomics.com, and sign up for a 30-day free trial of MMT Trader, and I will send you the current report. I will send you today's emails, and of course you can get all the back issues. So I just wanted to put that out there. I also sent out some information on the British pound today if you are a Forex trader, even if you're not. I said equity traders, you must read this. Equity investors, you must read this because there is some recommendations in there and some discussion as well on the Canadian dollar, all relevant and all related to the oil situation. So just wanted to put that out there. See everybody later. Bye-bye.